Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oil change on the Volkswagen. It is. Do it. Take the cap off. Give me some room to go underneath. There go the pain. It'll go under here. There we go. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Holy cow. That oil was super bad. I've never seen oil that bad ever in my life. It is like syrup, man. It's like black tar, man. It's so bad. That should be good. And there we go. And I'm gonna wipe this clean. I'm crazy. Alright. Bam. Let's get it, baby. I stole my jack. Just because an alarm won't go off when they break the soft top. So keep on all my tools beside my jack. And inside. They usually all go here. Nice. Alright. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, Pups Mobile Mechanic and Roadside Assistance has done it again.